Your workout routine should include a combination of cardio exercise, different techniques to highlight your best features, changing your hair color, glasses or contact lenses, modifying your clothing style, different fashion choices, adopt a healthy lifestyle, exercise, and Hello everyone and welcome back to Glow Up. When we want to change our lives, we mostly start by adding new things to our daily routines. We believe waking up at 5 a.m. will magically help us build a successful business. Or we start doing that amazing 15-minute HIIT workout that promises to help us achieve our dream body in just a few days. And most of the time, we fail because we can't stick to those new, magical routines for too long. It takes commitment, effort, and a well-thought-out plan to achieve a complete transformation. In this video, you will learn the strategies and techniques to completely transform yourself and become unrecognizable. We will also explore fitness, well-being, style, and confidence. From setting meaningful goals to cultivating a positive mindset, you can unlock your true potential and emerge as a brand new, empowered version of yourself. Are you ready for your transformation? Let's get started. Tip number 1. Change your physical appearance. Changing your physical appearance can be a significant aspect of personal transformation. Altering certain aspects of your appearance can have a noticeable impact on how others perceive you and can also influence how you feel about yourself. Consider modifications such as altering your hairstyle, changing your hair color, getting contact lenses or glasses, and modifying your clothing style. Hairstyle. Changing your hairstyle can instantly transform your look and give you a fresh, new appearance. You can opt for a different haircut, try a new hairdo, or experiment with different styling techniques. Your hairstyle can reflect your personality and help you express yourself. Hair color. Changing your hair color can dramatically alter your appearance and create a distinct visual impact. Whether you go for a subtle change or a bold transformation, a new hair color can enhance your features and make you feel more confident. Contact lens or glasses. If you wear glasses or have been considering contact lenses, changing your eyewear can have a transformative effect. Different styles of glasses can project different images, from professional to trendy or sophisticated. Contact lenses can give you a fresh look by changing the color of your eyes or providing more freedom in your appearance. Clothing style. Modifying your clothing style is another way to transform your physical appearance. Experimenting with different fashion choices, whether it's trying new colors, patterns, or silhouettes, can help you discover a style that aligns with your personality and makes you feel confident. Dressing in a way that reflects your desired image can influence how others perceive you and how you carry yourself. Tip number 2. Work on your physique. Engage in regular exercise and adopt a healthy lifestyle to improve your overall fitness and physique. Or, consult with a fitness professional to create a workout routine that aligns with your goals. This transformation may not be immediately noticeable, but over time it can lead to significant changes in your body shape and posture. Regular exercise. Engaging in regular exercise is crucial for improving your overall fitness and physique. It helps to build strength, increase endurance, improve flexibility, and enhance body composition. Choose exercises that align with your goals, whether it's weightlifting, cardio, yoga, Pilates, or a combination of various activities. Consistency is key, so aim for a regular exercise routine that you can maintain in the long term. Consult with a fitness professional. Seeking guidance from a fitness professional, such as a personal trainer or fitness coach, can be highly beneficial. They can assess your current fitness level, discuss your goals, and create a customized workout plan tailored to your needs and preferences. Working with a professional ensures that you are performing exercises correctly, avoiding injuries, and maximizing your progress. Workout routine. Your workout routine should include a combination of cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility work. Cardiovascular exercises such as running, cycling, or swimming help improve your cardiovascular health and burn calories. Lean muscle mass is developed through strength training using weights or resistance exercises like push-ups, squats, planks, and weightlifting. Strength training also boosts metabolism and tones the body. Flexibility exercises like stretching or yoga improve mobility, posture, and prevent injuries. Your fitness professional can help you determine the right balance and progression for your routine. Healthy lifestyle. Alongside exercise, adopting a healthy lifestyle is important for overall well-being and physical transformation. Focus on maintaining a balanced diet that includes nutrient-rich foods, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Stay hydrated, get sufficient restorative sleep, and manage stress levels effectively. These lifestyle factors can support your fitness goals and contribute to a healthy and sustainable transformation. Tip number 3. Enhance your features. While it's important to embrace your natural features, there are non-invasive methods available to enhance or slightly alter your appearance. For example, you could experiment with makeup techniques to accentuate or downplay certain features, use temporary hair dyes or wigs, or explore temporary tattoos or body art. Makeup techniques. Makeup can be a powerful tool for enhancing or subtly altering your facial features. Experiment with different techniques to highlight your best features and downplay others. For example, contouring and highlighting can help create the illusion of sharper cheekbones or a more defined jawline. Eyeshadow and eyeliner can be used to enhance the shape and size of your eyes. Lipstick and lip liner can help create fuller-looking lips. There are countless makeup tutorials and resources available online that can guide you in mastering different techniques and achieving the desired effects. Temporary hair dyes or wigs. Changing your hair color temporarily can be a fun way to transform your appearance without making permanent changes. Temporary hair dyes or washout colors allow you to experiment with different shades and tones. You can also try wearing wigs in different styles and colors to completely transform your look. Whether you want to go bold with vibrant hues or try a natural-looking shade, temporary hair color options provide flexibility and allow you to switch up your appearance as desired. Temporary tattoos or body art. Temporary tattoos or body art can be used to create temporary modifications or embellishments on your skin. They can range from small and subtle designs to larger and more intricate ones. Temporary tattoos are available in various forms, including water transfer tattoos, henna tattoos, or stick-on options. They offer you the freedom to explore different patterns, symbols, or artistic expressions without the commitment of permanent ink. It's important to note that while these methods can be fun and allow for temporary transformations, it's essential to approach them with caution and respect for cultural or personal boundaries. Tip number 4. Learn new skills or hobbies. Learning new hobbies or developing existing ones can contribute to your transformation. It allows you to acquire knowledge, skills, and experiences that shape your identity. Consider pursuing activities that challenge you and push you outside of your comfort zone. By stepping outside of your comfort zone, you can explore different interests and discover hidden talents or passions. Learning new things helps you expand your horizons, gain new perspectives, and develop a deeper understanding of yourself. Tip number 5. Adjust your online presence. Adjusting your posting habits can contribute to your transformation. Reflect on the content you've shared in the past and consider if it aligns with your new identity. Be mindful of the types of posts, articles, or media you engage with and share. While adjusting your online presence is a personal choice, it's essential to prioritize your comfort, safety, and authenticity. Take the time to reflect on how you want to present yourself online and make adjustments accordingly. Tip number 6. Change your body language and mannerisms. Pay attention to the way you walk, sit, and interact with others. Practice confident and assertive body language, such as maintaining good posture and making eye contact. Observe individuals whom you admire and learn from their mannerisms, incorporating them into your own behavior. Posture. Paying attention to your posture can have a significant impact on how others perceive you and how you feel about yourself. Practice maintaining a good posture by standing tall with your shoulders relaxed and your head held high. Avoid slouching or hunching over, as this can convey a lack of confidence. By adopting an upright posture, you project self-assurance and openness. Eye contact. Making eye contact is an essential aspect of nonverbal communication. It conveys confidence, attentiveness, and engagement. Practice maintaining appropriate eye contact during conversations. Direct your gaze toward the person you're speaking with, but also remember to look away occasionally to avoid staring. By establishing and maintaining eye contact, you demonstrate respect and show that you are actively listening and engaged in the interaction. Hand gestures and body movements. Pay attention to your hand gestures and body movements when communicating with others. Avoid fidgeting or excessive movements that may distract from your message. Practice using purposeful and controlled hand gestures that complement your words. Additionally, observe individuals whom you admire and consider their body language. Notice how they use their hands and move their bodies, and incorporate those subtle cues into your own behavior. Tip number 7. Educate yourself. Take the time to learn about different cultures, lifestyles, and perspectives. This can broaden your understanding of the world and help you shape your new identity authentically. Be open to new ideas, embrace diversity, and avoid appropriating or mimicking cultures in a disrespectful manner. Tip number 8. Embrace self-confidence. A key aspect of transformation is cultivating self-confidence. Believe in yourself and your ability to change. Embrace your unique qualities and focus on positive self-talk and self-affirmations. Each individual possesses a set of talents, skills, and characteristics that make them special. By acknowledging and embracing these qualities, you can enhance your self-image and develop a sense of self-worth. Positive self-talk and self-affirmations play a crucial role in building self-confidence too. Engaging in positive internal dialogue and consciously challenging negative thoughts can help reframe your mindset. Replace self-doubt and self-criticism with encouraging and uplifting statements. By repeatedly affirming your abilities and potential, you can gradually develop a more positive and confident outlook. Tip number 9. Practice patience and consistency. Transformation is a journey that requires time, dedication, and effort. It's important to be patient with yourself throughout this process. Realize that change doesn't happen overnight and that significant transformations take time to manifest. It's normal to encounter setbacks and challenges along the way. Patience allows you to maintain a positive mindset and persevere through difficulties, understanding that progress may be gradual. Tip number 10. Commit to yourself for 6 months. Commit to doing it for nobody else but yourself. Stop showing everybody every turn you make, every choice you make, and start just making them. Make moves privately and you're gonna see your life transform. You owe it to yourself to give yourself that shot of changing your trajectory for the next year. So do it today. Make the choice. Wake up earlier. Go on a walk. Go to the gym. Start that new career path. Start that podcast. Buy the supplies you need. Do whatever you need to do to take that step today and commit. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us.